Hey friends, if you wish to create tab groups in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So I have multiple tabs here and I need classification. I want to make a group out of them. The reason that I want to make a group out of them is so that I can manage them easily, just like we stack up things in with similar identity. So I will right click on any one of these tabs and click on add to tab group. Does a tab group exist? If not, I will create one. So I'll make it test tab group, which will show at the absolute left. And I will say, I will just give it a color. I'll give it this color, let's say. And then I will click on, I'll just hit enter. And then I can keep on pushing these on the left and so on. Okay, if I wish to add a new tab to the group, I will simply add a new tab this way. And if I wish to add this tab, let's say to the tab group, I will click on add to tab group and then select the test group. Okay, and then I'll click on this one, add to tab group text group. Now all of these are combined. I can move them together. Okay, I can release them together. I can make a different window out of this. Like for example, if I pull it out, it makes a different window out of these tab groups. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.